did not spend thousands of dollars on veneers.
They say that money can't buy happiness, but you can definitely finance it.
You do not have to go into an office and do anything. You do it at home. You can do a payment plan for them. You do not have to pay outright for them. You can do weekly payments and purchase them.
It was very affordable. You can get on payment plans and different kinds of payment plans, which works for me.
I really thank you, Papa on Veneers, for making your plans affordable, for delivering your product in a timely manner, for giving me my confidence back.
16 weekly payments, definitely one of the best investments I've ever made.
I love, love, love my veneers.
I could smile again with confidence.
They fit me perfect. I have zero complaints about them. I am absolutely in love.